Question number 1. NITI Aayog was established on? January 2015. What does NITI stand for? National Institution for Transforming India. Who is the chairperson of NITI Aayog? Prime Minister. NITI Aayog promotes cooperative federalism. Who was the first vice chairman of NITI Aayog? Arvind Panagarya. NITI Aayog replaced Planning Commission. The Planning Commission of India was established in which year? 1950. Who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission? Jawaharlal Nehru. The Planning Commission was established through Cabinet Resolution. How many 5-year plans were formulated by the Planning Commission? The 12th 5-year plan was the last. Which of the following was not a function of the Planning Commission? Adjudicate interstate disputes. Which Prime Minister dissolved the Planning Commission? Narendra Modi dissolved it in 2014. Who served the longest term as Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission? Montek Singh Ahluwalia. What was the primary objective of the Planning Commission? Socio-economic development through planning. The Planning Commission was answerable to Prime Minister. Parliament had no direct control. The Planning Commission worked closely with National Development Council. Which committee recommended abolishing the Planning Commission? Abolition was a political decision, not committee-based. First 5-year plan was launched in 1951. Which country inspired India's Planning Commission the most? Soviet Union. The ex officio chairman of the Planning Commission was Prime Minister. Which body approved the final draft of 5-year plans? National Development Council. It was the highest planning body. The Planning Commission included experts and economists. Planning Commission's recommendations were advisory. The Planning Commission worked under direct control of PMO. Which of these is not a function of NITI Aayog? Preparing 5-year plans. One of the aims of NITI Aayog is sustainable development. Which is a key principle of NITI Aayog? Competitive federalism. NITI Aayog replaced which approval body? National Development Council. The main drawback of Planning Commission removed by NITI Aayog is over-centralization. NITI Aayog releases Sustainable Development Goals Index. Who sets the long-term vision of NITI Aayog? PM-led Governing Council. NITI Aayog helps states through policy advice. NITI Aayog launched the Aspirational Districts program in 2018. The Aspirational Districts program focuses on least developed districts. Atal Innovation Mission is operated under NITI Aayog. Atal Innovation Mission focuses on innovation and entrepreneurship. NITI Aayog promotes digital transformation through Open Network for Digital Commerce. National Multidimensional Poverty Index is prepared by NITI Aayog. Health Index and SDG Index are developed by NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog aims to double farmers' income by financial year 2022 to 2023. Which NITI initiative supports electric mobility? Faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles India. NITI Aayog promotes health improvement under Ayushman Bharat. India Innovation Index is released by NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog's reforms in agriculture include Model APMC Act. NITI Aayog promotes drone technologies through Drone Shakti. School Education Quality Index is developed by NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog's fintech initiatives include India Blockchain Strategy. NITI Aayog's Energy Index is State Energy Efficiency Index. NITI Aayog launched India's Gig and Platform Economy Report. NITI Aayog introduced the program. All of the above. Thank you for watching. We will publish the MCQs in PDF very shortly for all the members.